Alright everyone, listen up, I'm going to give you 5 minutes. You're going to pack your desks away. The only thing that you're going to need this afternoon is your pencil cases. You have 5 minutes, go. Okay, so who can remember what it is that we were talking about last week? Yes, Michael. Yep, we were talking about drugs and alcohol. What were we talking about when it came to the drugs and alcohol? Linda, how dangerous it was, that's correct. What it involves, that's correct. Who else has got anything else that they can explain, elaborate on? Amber, yes, we're talking about the dangers, how it influences our decision making, and also how it can affect how we learn and interact with our peers and our parents and our teachers. So what we're going to do, we're going to spend the next 5 minutes and we're going to be brainstorming on what it is that we think drugs are, how they relate to us, and what are some of the names of the alcohol, some of the names of the alcohols that you know. Okay, so there's our heading, drugs and alcohol. We know that we have smoking. Some of you might know about marijuana, which someone has already said that is weed. Alcohol, we know that there's beer, wine, vodka, and yep, spirits, well done. Yep, we all know about ice and we all know how dangerous that is. There is a huge epidemic at the moment on the news constantly is stories of people being attacked by ice addicts. It does very terrible things to your body. Yep, some people do it for fun, in a leisure way. When people have diabetics, they have insulin and it just helps to regulate the sugars in their body. What we're going to do, boys and girls, is we're going to get into pairs of twos. We're going to spend the afternoon in the computer room and we're going to research individual drugs. What I want you to do then with your pair is over the next week, you're going to put together an information report on the different type of drug or alcohol that you researched with your partner. It needs to be, it can either be a PowerPoint if that is what you prefer to do. You can do a poster if that's what you prefer want to do, or you can put together a folder, a display folder. The choice is really up to yours. I just wanted to make sure that you have the right information and that you're working collaboratively together on researching this drug. I have created a worksheet that you're going to use. This is going to be your base mark for when you're in the computer room and working out what questions it is that you need to find out about your drugs. So you're going to have the name of your drug. You're going to research what's it called, what are the dangers of that drug, how does it affect your body. And then I also want you, while you're doing your individual research, I want you to put down any pluses, any minuses, and any interestings that you might want to further know about. And perhaps what we can do next week, once we've gone through everybody's information report, we can look at everybody's interestings and start to work out what it is. We can start to research together all the interestings and finding out more information. Okay, so class, that's what we're going to do now. I'd like you to stand up, choose your partners, and Matthew and Sarah, can you please hand out these, and we will get going to the computer room.